Hi Sparkle Squad, this is Monica and I am wanting to show you what I got in today's mail. This comes from my friend Stacy at CraftyMommy85. We have done a Happy Mail craft swap and I have posted a few videos along the way in my journey of what I got for her and how I wrapped it and sent it and all that stuff. So now I have actually gotten my package and I wanted to show you what I've got. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to get my handy scissors out, but I'm going to cut this open. I want to be careful. Very excited to do this craft swap. I haven't done one of these before. So, I mean, there's not like really set in stone rules for this, but we kind of set it between $10 to $15, I believe is what it was. We're going to do a 10 by 13 bubble mailer. I had to wind up using two because unfortunately for me, some of the things that I had gotten were a little bit too thick for me to then be able to fit everything into one mailer. And I hope she likes what she got. So I'm excited. I want to see what I got here. Let's find out, shall we? I already see something I'm gonna love. Oh, look at that. It's a little pin, a little mermaid pin, and it's furry. Look at that. Ooh, now my cats, I'm telling you, if they see this, Stacy, they're probably gonna want it. Does it look like it's swimming? Let's go. Let's go up from the bottom. How cool. So it's a pin. Whee! What am I going to write? I'm going to say, thanks, Stacy. Love it. Let's reach in here and see what else. Sticker. Ooh, and they're pumpkins and they sparkle. Ooh, look at that. And they're actually like little wooden. They're wooden stickers? Wow, Stacy, that's cool. Yeah, they have the little pop-up sticky things on them. Let's go ahead and open. I love these things. Oh my goodness, Stacy, love. So excited. I love pumpkins. And what else do I love, guys? I love sparkles. Look at that. Look how it's in the sunlight coming in from my window, y'all. I love that. We've got some glittery ones. Let me show you the big glittery one. Oh, he's still stuck on my sheet. Let's look at that. Ooh, look at that glitter. I will have to say my favorite pumpkins are the glittery pumpkins. But look, you can layer them up. Ooh, how cute is that? You can make them off to the side. These, I'm going to have a lot of fun with that, Stacy. All right, so there's the pumpkin stickers. I feel something else. Ooh, look at these little stickers, and they look like pearls. I love these, Stacy. Oh, my goodness. I embellish all of my little cards whenever I send out my jewelry, and usually I'm in a challenge as to if I'm going to use rhinestones or something. I don't think I have any more of these little stick-on pearls, so thank you very much. Now I do. Okay, do we have anything else in the package? I feel something. What am I feeling? There's a Monica note. There's beads. Ooh, looky that. How pretty is this, Stacy? Ooh, I love this color. And look, you can see the striations in the quartzite. The 6mm size is an awesome size for doing bracelets and earrings. I love everything so far. Beads, I can't go wrong. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, now I believe this is howlite, and it's made to look like turquoise, so it has the coloring of turquoise, but it's howlite, and it's got some really pretty little striations in it as well. See the little lines? These are little black lines though, and I like to use this for earrings and bracelets, anything really. You can do this as little accent bits in your necklaces, depending on what it is that you're making. The difference in the reconstituted turquoise and the howlite that you can get from the bead landing over at Michael's. For those of you that are not beaders, maybe you're unfamiliar, which is why I thought I'd just kind of let you know. It's very similar in the way that it looks. The howlite is colored or dyed to where it kind of looks like turquoise, so it's the actual stone. And some howlite can be a little on the chalky feel and look, but this is not, and it's because it does have the dyed color, the kind of the robin's egg blue. The reconstituted turquoise is where it is actually ground up into a powder, so like leftover bits of actual turquoise, so it is real turquoise. But it can be in a myriad of colors because unless you're familiar, turquoise comes in all sorts of different colors. But the turquoise is ground up into a fine powder, and then it's reconstituted by a liquid resin and then formed into a bead so that they can make it strong, and then they can actually turn it into a bead. So this is the howlite, and it's got the actual natural little striation markings. This is also a 6mm size, just like the quartzite over here. So look at that. Ooh, aren't those pretty? So that is a little beading lesson for those of you that may not already know that. And let's look and see what else we might have in here. So far I'm loving it, Stacy. Thank you. Uh-oh, I feel something else. She's going for a theme, y'all. Look at this. We have starfish. How cute are these? Look at these little charms. Stacy, I think you are trying to tell me that you would like me to make something in a mermaid theme. Is that what you're hinting at? I love that. Look at these little charms. Oh, they're precious. And they have these little pearls attached to them. So look, y'all, I might be making some more mermaid stuff here before too long, once I can get my stuff unpacked. Oh, is that, I think there's one other thing in here. Ooh, washi tape. We both have a thing for washi tape, it would appear. And look, this is Happy Halloween. I love it, Stacy. You're gonna laugh because I sent you washi tape too. Oh, that's so funny. Happy Halloween with a little skull on there. I love washi tape, and I don't have this one either. I have one that says Happy Halloween, but it's kind of got like some greens and purples and stuff on it. It doesn't have a spooky skull though. All right, guys, I think this might be it. Let's do a last minute check. Let's look at Stacy's note. Monica, thanks for doing this swap with me. You have been a sweet and supportive crafty friend. I hope you like it. Stacy, yes, Stacy, I certainly have enjoyed this. And thank you so much again for asking me to participate in your Happy Mail craft swap. I really enjoyed all these little goodies that I have. I mean, I can decorate my little packages and my cards. I can create some mermaid themed goodies. I've even got some sparkly pumpkins that are wooden and sparkly. I love that. And some more washi tape to add to my collection. Now this, I will have to say, is probably the most fun because it's furry and it's got the little sweet mermaid tail. My kitty cats will probably wind up commandeering this later. I'll have to remove the pin and make this a cat toy. Maybe I'll do a video on that if I go that far with it, because I could say pretty confidently that my cats are going to love the mermaid tail. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate this. This was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed your craft bits as well, Stacy. It's kind of like I have a little crafty pen pal. If you enjoy this content here, then you'll probably really enjoy Stacy's channel. She has a lot of different variety on her channel. She does a lot of kids craft. She has shopping hauls. She does product reviews. There's a lot of healthy type of recipes and things that she has on her channel. So go and check her out. That's Stacy at CraftyMommy85. I'll put the link below to her channel as well. If you all would like to see more of these types of crafty swaps or Happy Mail swaps, whatever you want to call it, then let me know below in the comments. If you are interested in doing a craft swap with me, reach out to me and maybe we can arrange that, because this is actually pretty fun. be sure to check out our Happy Meal craft swaps on the 14th. We're going to post these at 7 o'clock Eastern Time on both CraftyMommy85 and my channel here at Sparkle by Monica. Let's go swimming. Okay, guys. I've had entirely too much fun with that, haven't I? Have a sparkle-rific day, y'all. Bye!